Welcome. Welcome to this short Yoga Nidra, to rest and to recharge. In just a few minutes of true conscious rest, you can refill what the day has emptied. So let go of the idea that you have anywhere else to be. For now, there is only this. Find your way to lying down or sitting, however you are most comfortable. Let the body be held completely by the surface beneath you. Feel yourself becoming warm, cozy, cocooned in your own quiet space. And when you are ready, gently allow the eyes to close. Take one big breath in through the nose and sigh it out through the mouth. Let it all go. And again, a full breath in and out, releasing the weight of the day. With every exhale now, allow any tension to simply drain away, softening the forehead and the space between the eyebrows, softening the jaw, letting the teeth part, the tongue resting low and easy, the shoulders melting down away from the ears, the whole body growing heavier, sinking into the support beneath you. Now bring your awareness gently to the center of your chest, your heart space. And here we plant the intention for this practice. A short, clear phrase, felt as if it is already true. I am vibrant and full of energy. Repeat it silently to yourself and really feel it through your whole being. I am vibrant and full of energy. Let those words settle into the heart like a seed into warm earth. Now bring your awareness to the very top of your head. And as I name each part of the body, let a soft wave of relaxation spread downward. The crown of the head and the whole scalp releasing. The forehead, the eyes, the cheeks softening. The lips, the jaw, the whole face at ease, flowing down through the neck and the throat, across the shoulders, down through the arms, to the palms of the hands, down through every finger, to the very tips, the wave returning through the chest and the heart space, softening the belly, rising and falling with each breath, down through the hips, the sacrum, the base of the spine, flowing through the thighs, the knees, the lower legs, the ankles, the soles of the feet, all the way to the tips of the toes. From the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, the whole body resting. Now notice the natural, easy flow of your breath. You do not need to change it. Simply let it move. And with each breath in, imagine you are filling yourself with pure, radiant energy. Bright, clean energy, gathering in the center of your chest and spreading out to every cell. Breathing in, rising, recharging, and with each breath out, release any old, tired, heavy energy. Let it drain away, leaving you lighter, clearer, brighter. Breathing in fresh, vital energy. Breathing out all that is used up and finished. Filling and releasing. Recharging and softening. Feel the whole body beginning to glow with a quiet, steady energy. Resting deeply now, and at the very same time, quietly restoring. For a few breaths, simply rest. Nothing to do, nothing to fix, nothing to become. Just this body breathing and refilling itself with life. Every system in you knows exactly how to restore. You need only give it this moment of stillness. And now, once more, return to your heart space. Call in your intention again, feeling it even more fully than before. I am vibrant and full of energy. One more time, from the deepest place inside you. I am vibrant and full of energy. It is already becoming so. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Notice your energy, your mood, the quality of your mind. What has shifted, even a little, since we began? Let yourself simply receive the gift you have just given yourself. And now, gently, we begin to return. Deepen the breath, a slow, full inhale, and a complete exhale. Begin to bring small movements back into the body. Wiggle the fingers and the toes. Maybe a gentle stretch through the arms and legs, however feels good. Taking your time with no rush at all. Carry this bright, recharged feeling with you into whatever comes next. You are rested, you are renewed, you are ready. Thank you for giving yourself this time. Namaste.